Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you a complete full body workout that you can follow from the convenience of your home. Now, I put this video together because of the current situation with the coronavirus shutting down a lot of gyms and some people under quarantine. So the next best thing to do is to work out from your home. Now, you're not going to need a lot of equipment for this. You're going to need some chairs and a couple of bags of rice. Of course, we're going to make our own DIY vest. You're going to need a bag of rice or 2 bags of rice. This is 10 pounds. You're going to need a book bag to make it a little harder, okay? Now, this workout is not easy by any means. You're going to be using your own body weight, but that doesn't mean that the exercises aren't challenging. And to make it even tougher, we're going to use the bags of rice. You can either use 1 or 2, however you want to do it, or maybe you're not ready for that yet and you just want to use your own body weight, and that's fine. The whole point is to get you moving, continue to work out so that you can continue to get in that environment, in that groove of working out when you're not at the gym. Now the whole workout is going to consist of 3 rounds. Each round is going to have 5 exercises, and you're going to do each exercise back to back to back to back to back. And then you're going to get a 1-minute break and then move on to the second round. Do the same thing, 5 exercises back to back. Take a minute break and then you go to the third round. So there you have it, guys. That's your quarantine workout. You can do this every other day. If you want to make it more challenging, you can add more reps or you can add more weight, just like I did over here with the bags of rice. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks again, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.